Roland Igbakpa. I represent Ethiopia East, Ethiopia West, and by the special grace of God, we're from Delta State. Mr. Speaker, my motion is on the need to assess the vehicle licensing process in Nigeria. The House knows that the Federal Road Safety Corps, State Vehicle Inspection Officer, and the State Board of Internal Revenue are agencies responsible for vehicle licensing in Nigeria. Also know that it is a practice for a vehicle owner to present required data, make payment, and eventually issue vehicle license and license plate number by either of the agencies. Aware that driving articulated vehicles requires special skills and knowledge of traffic laws and regulation in force, but many drivers of articulated vehicles are not qualified to operate such vehicles as they are not licensed and lack skills to drive, thus resulting in fatal accidents. Also aware that in order to reduce the recurring rates of accidents, the federal government mandated the Federal Road Safety Commission to establish minimum safety requirements for articulated vehicles. Conscious of the responsibility of the Federal Road Safety Corps to include monitoring, certifying, registering, and enforcing compliance with regulations governing safety operations of articulated vehicles in Nigeria, cognizant that the administration of minimum safety requirement demands that operators of the articulated vehicle conform to the Road Transport Safety Standardization Scheme and registration of companies, that all tankers, tractors, trailers, or any other form of an articulated vehicle, including those conveying dangerous goods, are also required to comply with the guidelines on safe operations. Further aware that only Lagos State University, LASU, and the Nigerian Institute of Transport Technology, NITT, have accredited curriculum that will pass for the training of and certification of driving training team to train drivers of articulated vehicles. Disturbed that most tanker drivers are adolescents who can neither speak nor write English, yet when issued licenses, they endanger other road users contrary to the Federal Road Safety Corps registration process, mandating tankers, tractors, trailers, transport service operators to register their transport companies with FROSC. Concerned that the proliferation of uncertified driving schools issuing drivers certificates to untrained drivers, resulting in producing inexperienced drivers, thereby causing accidents. Also cognizance of the fact that it is the responsibility of the Federal Road Safety Commission to have a driving school curriculum and qualify personnel for the purpose of monitoring, certifying, registering, and enforcing compliance with regulation governing safety operations of articulated vehicles in Nigeria. Believes that unless the vehicle licensing process as well as safety requirements and guidelines for articulated vehicle operations in Nigeria are rejigged with curriculum for drivers training school under the supervision of relevant transport institute, the incident of road accident by articulated trucks will continue unabated. The House hereby resolves, Mr. Speaker, 1, to urge the Federal Road Safety Corps to compel tanker drivers, tractor and trailer transport service operators to disclose the type of vehicle, heavy-duty vehicle business operations they are engaging and register with FROSC. 2, also urge the Federal Road Safety Commission to stipulate stringent administrative procedures for tankers, trailers, operation in Nigeria for first-time articulated vehicle operators of applicants for Federal Road Safety Corps registration. 3, further urge the Federal Road Safety Corps, the Vehicle Inspection Officer, and related vehicle regulatory authorities to develop a comprehensive driving curriculum as in the Lagos State University, LASU, and Nigerian Institute of Transport Technology, NITT. 4, call on the Federal Ministry of Transport to establish the Nigerian Institute of Transport Technology, NITT, in the 6 geopolitical zones to ensure access to the institute and acquire the requisite knowledge and qualification before setting up driving school or manning articulated vehicles. And 5, Mr. Speaker, mandate the Committee on Road Safety to ensure compliance. I beg to move.